Hey cooks, welcome back. I am cooking again. It's your guy Ken. 1 year anniversary. Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. Cooks, come on. We've been through a fire. Check out my other video. This thing caught on fire. I repainted it. I'm going to repaint it again. Let me know what color you think it should be. But all in all, the Walmart Expert Grill digital, the pellet grill's been fantastic. I mean, I beat on it, left it out here. It rains a lot. Watch out, watch. It's a little windy. Watch out. You know, it wouldn't be an anniversary without a present. We had the pellet grill cover. Expert grill cover. They had them on sale. Check your, in the back of that Walmart checks. They marked these down. I think I got this for $15. Great. Now, on the website, it's like $50. $15, pellet grill cover. Much needed and necessary out here. Okay, cooks? But back to the grill. Here we go, cooks. Like I said, after a year, a lot of abuse. Everything's working fine. Everything is working fine, cooks. Like I said, we're gonna repaint this thing. I just finished the cook. I just wanted to show you. We're gonna clean it up, get this thing painted again. It's gonna be fantastic, cooks, but everything works after a year. 1 year review, everything's working fine. Like I said, it was on fire, almost burned it up. It couldn't stop it. She's still running well, still cooking well. Everything's great. A little fluctuation, everybody says that's normal on every pellet grill. Other than that, this thing's working fine. We're having a great anniversary today. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But make sure, stay with your guy. I'm cooking again.